Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Dea Halimatus Hadiah and I'm going to present my topic on podcast. Do you often want to listen to a radio broadcast but miss the live broadcast? Now there are podcasts that have radio live programs that can be accessed anytime. From podcasts, you can gain new knowledge, entertainment, or even build a network and community. First, let's discuss about radio. Radio is the only audio media that broadcasts live at a certain time. Listeners have to make a schedule to listen to their favorite programs. Radio is used all the time, whether for entertainment, news, or emergency communication. However, with the development in the late 1990s and early 2000s, a new platform emerged that allow users to access audio content at any time. This platform is known as a podcast. So, what a podcast? Podcast is a series of digital audio recording that can be listened to at any time. Listening to podcasts is important because it can provide you knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Anyone can listen to podcasts. Podcasts have become popular because they provide content that is customized to individual interests and preferences. Podcast listeners come from all walks of life, from children to adults, depending on the topic and style of the podcast present. Where we can listen to podcasts? Podcasts can be accessed to various online platforms such as podcast apps like Spotify, YouTube, or other audio streaming platforms. Unlike radio broadcasts that have a certain schedule, podcasts can be freely accessed and listened to on demand, so that listener can listen to them at any time according to their wish. Research Prime Populix launched a survey titled Podcast Trends Unveiled: Indonesia's Podcast Streaming Habit. Respondents listen to podcasts 3 to 6 times a week, and respondents usually access the podcast during rest hours after their activities, which is between 17 to 22 o'clock. So, what benefit of podcasts? First, improving knowledge and insight. Podcasts often cover diverse topics ranging from science, history, technology, and pop culture. Listening to podcasts allows listeners to learn new information and broaden their horizons in different fields. 2. Improve focus and concentration. Listening to podcasts, especially those that are educational or narrative in nature, can help improve listener focus and concentration abilities. The process of following the storyline or information requires attention, which can train the brain to stay focused for longer. 3. Increase creativity. Podcasts often present new ideas, different perspectives, and inspiration that can stimulate creativity. Listening to other people's experience and thought can spark new ideas and help in the personal creative process. 4. Increase motivation and morale. Many podcasts cover motivational topics, self-development, and success stories. Listening to inspirational stories and practical tips can boost listener motivation and passion to achieve their goals. 5. Improve language skills. Listening to podcasts in a different language or in a language that is being learned can help improve language skills, including listening comprehension, vocabulary, and intonation. 6. Improves mental health. Podcasts that focus on mental health, meditation, and relaxation can help reduce stress and anxiety. Listening to calming stories or information can have a therapeutic effect on the listener. 7. Improves sleep quality. Some podcasts are specially designed to help listeners relax and sleep better. They may contain soothing stories, nature sound, or meditation that help create conditions conducive to sleep. Next, build community and connection. Podcasts often have a loyal community of listeners. Participating in discussion or joining fan group of a particular podcast can help listeners feel connected to others who share similar interests. 9. Improves entertainment and relaxation. Podcasts offer various forms of entertainment, ranging from comedy, drama, and fictional stories. They can be a fun source of entertainment and help listeners unwind after a busy day. Last, improves productivity. Listening to podcasts on productivity, time management, and efficient work technique can provide practical tips that help listeners improve efficiency and effectiveness in their work and daily lives. Next, how to make a podcast. First, decide on a theme and goal. Choose a topic or theme that you want to talk about in your podcast. Make sure the theme matches your interests and the audience you want to reach. Also, determine the purpose of your podcast, whether it is to inform, entertain, or motivate listeners. 2. Prepare the equipment. You will need basic equipment to record a podcast, including a quality microphone, headphone, or audio recording software. Make sure to choose equipment that suits your need and budget. 3. Plan format and structure. Decide on the format of your podcast, whether it is an interview, panel discussion, monologue, story, or a mix of some of these formats. Also plan the structure of each episode, including duration, segment, and release schedule. 4. Create and record content. Start creating content for each episode of your podcast. Prepare a script or outline to guide your conversation or narration. Make sure to record good quality audio and avoid unwanted sound distraction. 5. Edit and produce. After recording the audio, go through the editing progress to improve the sound quality. Remove unnecessary part and add sound effect or music if need. 6. Distribution and publication. Once the editing process is complete, prepare your podcast for distribution. Create an account on a podcast hosting platform like Anchor and upload your episode to the platform. Make sure to include an episode description, title, and relevant text. 7. Promotion and marketing. Do some promotion of your podcast to reach a wider audience. Use social media, website, blogs, and collaboration with other podcasts to expand your reach. Keep promoting your podcast consistently to attract new listeners and retain loyal listeners. Last, evaluation your content. Monitor your podcast performance by paying attention to the number of downloads, reviews, and feedback from listeners. Use this information to evaluate and improve your content and identify growth opportunities for your podcast going forward. Conclusion: podcasts are not only a solution for those who miss out on radio broadcasts, but also offer a range of benefits that go beyond traditional radio broadcasts. With their accessibility, flexibility, in-depth content, wide reach, and interactivity, podcasts are becoming an increasingly popular audio media option in this digital age. Listening to podcasts offers a wide range of benefits both for mental, physical and intellectual health. That's all the presentation from me. Please apologize for any mistake and shortcomings. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.